You know what stresses me out the most? Is when you are fully aware that you have gained a little bit of weight, yet people give you so much shit like it's their body. Like, what the fuck? That is not your problem anymore. That's my problem anymore. Am I right? Am I right? When they ask you a stupid question like, tumaba ka ba? What do you say? Hindi. Nagpagupit lang. Naku, laki-laki mo na. Dati ganito ka pala. Ngayon ganito ka na. Guys, don't take this the wrong way ha. Pero concerned citizen na. Parang tumaba ka na. Oo. Alam mo, may ibibigay ako sa'yo na Bangkok pills. Effective talaga yun. Parang need mo na yan. Sobrahan ka sa extra rice. Ano ba to si Girlash? Diba dati parang inspiration pa yan. Pero ngayon tignan mo, lumba-lumba na siya. And then what? And then what? O tapos, parang lumaki yung braso mo. Uy, Mars! Long time no see! Naku, hindi na kita nakilala. Parang nag-iba yung itsura mo. Parang tumaba ka. Very, very light lang. Light lang naman. Yeah, talaga? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ba't nataba mo na? Parang tumaba ka na. Tumaba ka ba? Tumaba ka na, no? Time first, look at yourself first. Ang yayabang nyo, ang papayat nyo, ha? O ano kaya, kinapayat nyo yan? Ang perfect nyo, eh. I'm sure sorry naman, my gosh, you're so perfect. Ang sakit sa bangs, be. Really, real talk lang. Don't me. Yes, I appreciate your honesty, but get over it. I can exercise my body, but can you exercise your face? Squeeze me? I don't think so. Pag ako pumayat huyo kayo lahat sa akin.